That is the coolest thing since sliced bread. What do we got here now? Give me the big balls.
No, no. Oh my God.
We're here at Hanson's Pressure Washer in Redding, California. We're gonna get a turbo nozzle digging bit for the pressure washer because we have to get a special one because it's like 7 gallons a minute at 4,000 PSI.
What? No way.
Is this David?
How you doing? How you doing?
So here at Hanson's Pressure Washer, it's literally just all pressure washer equipment. It's actually a really cool store. So we got a turbo, basically a digging nozzle.
What are we using for?
We're gonna be digging a trench. We gotta dig around pipes. So this is the idea. Use this big fatty. You know what it looks like. All right, guys, so we have got a turbo nozzle. Dave thought it was something else. I had to take it from him. What we got here is a 4,000 PSI, a true 4,000 PSI, 4 gallon minute pressure washer, electric start. This whole setup is about $3,700. That is the coolest thing since sliced bread. Oh my gosh, that nozzle is so cool. There it is, found it. Look at it.
How much water was in the dehumidifier and it was already emptied last night?
This is awesome! I did not expect the pipe to go this direction. This damn thing will cut through roots. Oh, dude, that was me last night, bro. Found a gopher hole. Stay on. There it is! Yeah, we're gonna have to stop dumping there, go dump it back. So that's a 90-degree elbow to a 4-inch pipe, and I'm kind of curious where it goes because it looks like it's going uphill.
Probably why it's not draining.
Probably. We got a serious problem. Like, I don't know why they would 90-degree angle this right here when there's a perfect outlet right there. So, a little weird, very weird. So what I'm gonna do is chase this to wherever it goes and figure out what the hell's going on underground here. We need to replace this pipe with a 4-inch pipe. I want a 4-inch pipe running those 2 downspouts, and then I want a 4-inch pipe that's gonna be running my DI, technically a catch basin drain. It's gonna be its own individual 4-inch pipe. So I'm gonna have 2 4-inch pipes running in here to tie that downspout, those 2 downspouts, and a drain that drains all the driveway. Sort of lag them inside the...
Boys!
Well, I got the private redwood deal.
Oh, he's got a phone call. Sorry, everybody. His girlfriend's calling.
What's up? Hey, babe.
You're fired.
I just got fired.
What do we got here now? Oh,
A lot of damage.
another drink. Duct tape. Come look at this.
Oh no. What'd you find now?
Duct tape.
What the
What time do you think it'll be done?
I showed up and they were about to charge her $7,000 to put a new drain in. Now it's extra funny because they had all the felt ran down this straight like the line ran that way, which I thought. It doesn't even run that way, and they said they put a new one in. It runs that way. We're gonna go with ABS black pipe because it is the bee's knees for this and it'll last forever.
Oh, from a shovel?
This makes Dozer worried. Give me the big balls.
No, no.
It's not even glued on. So what I'm gonna do is put a 4-inch pipe in here, tie it in, and 45 it out that way. All right, this is how deep it is off one pass with this pressure washer. Life problems. Oh, Jesus. Oh. So we're not using shovels or equipment on this because one, there's a lot of electrical lines that run through this for the power. Water pipe, sprinkler line, irrigation lines, all sorts of stuff running through this lawn. And there was also a massive oak tree that was right next to where we're 45 in this line, using this turbo nozzle for the pressure washer, which will dig down 12 inches in one pass. And a shop vac, it's way cleaner. Obviously, it's more dirty at the time, but for the future, it's easier. There's a ton of roots in here. Like right here, it's like a 3-inch root. I'm trying to uncover it.
Wheel down.
Concrete. Our wheelbarrow broke the wheel off, so instead of driving into town and getting a new damn wheel, I'm gonna need a lot of dirt to put back in here, so I'm just gonna set the kiddie pool off to the side. We'll fill it up with the remaining slurry that's left, which isn't much. I just enjoy this, but what I can do is I can 22 it right here. No, I know, I don't want to cut the fucking root. I have to have this daylight or else it's not going to rain. That's the problem.
What about this? Hey, the elevation from there to here.
It's possible that you can sit on top of it.
Go on top.
It's possible, but I do need at least 2 to 3 inches of dirt on top of the pipe. That's the other problem. It's a 4-inch pipe.
If you get a laser.
It's going to be, yeah. So right now, I'll just clear all the dirt out and we'll assess.
There's a cow at the neighbor's lawn.
Needs a rope.
Dozer, come! Come on, Dozer. Dozer's a bulldog, if you guys can't tell, Shar-Pei bulldog. And he really likes cows. He loves messing with them. Till Dozer catches. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, he's lassoing him. I think that's an extension cord he's using. Hey guys! Is this your cow?
No, it's not.
No, we just
Oh.
so we ran down here.
Yeah, no, yeah, Ryan's lassoing him up.
Did he get him?
No, he's trying to.
No, he has an extension cord we just grabbed super quick, but...
This is classic Ryan.
He got it! Oh, right around the pole.
Come here. Come here.
Oh my
Yeah, no shit.
God. Okay, he's got it wrapped around the tree. DIY coach, yeah, definitely do it yourself. Rope a wild cow yourself. I can't believe I got this on camera.
Hey, Bob!
Hey, do you know whose cow this is?
It's theirs over there, babe. I know it's your dad to beat that one.
Yeah, we're friends with him. Come on, cowboy.
Anyone in this neighborhood?
I can't believe he did that.
Yeah, it's classic.
Oh my gosh.
I lassoed it out in the neighbor Matt's yard and it drugged me all the way up the street.
Yeah, he just likes to be swatted in the rear.
That son of a bitch is strong. That's a strong cow.
It's supposed to be.
I want a burger out of it. He cut my hand. Son of
Oh my god.
bitch.
Ouch. Let me see.
It's just a little cut.
Ouch. Well, how did you get so beat up?
Fucking barbed wire. I go clean the cuts out of my hand. They said you could wrap it around my hand pretty tight and squeeze it enough to cut it open. So we go clean this out. That guy, we're gonna warranty the shop back so we can get a new one and continue this fun job tomorrow. And hopefully we'll be eating some tri-tip tomorrow. Slaughter the calf tonight. Fossilized poop.